Well, here it is. The new replacement. I guess I'll put you. Blah, blah, blah. The official God Lexus replacement is a 2011 F-150 Raptor SVT. Not bad. Like it a lot. We'll see how it goes. But yeah, has the Sync 1, which sucks because this is gonna be really old and outdated. So I might just get a full touchscreen replacement. Not too sure yet. Speakers work, sunroof works, which is great. It has a sunroof. Besides that, just gotta clean it up, smell it, make it smell a little bit newer. Probably gotta redo or get a new steering wheel. It's already tinted, which is nice. It's an old tint, but depending on how hot it gets is if I'll replace it. Yeah, but that's not bad. It's that one. And then it's pretty bland in the back. Nothing, seats haven't really been sat on, so that's also really good. Yeah, just kind of smells. Oh, I didn't record anything. Okay, yeah, so that's the rear. Pretty good. That was placed 2023, I believe. Yeah, this is the front. That was in 2020 or 2022 or 1. Let's see with that side. A little bit of rust. It's a Florida car, so I'll clean it up, sand it up, and then respray it, touch it up. See the back again. That's the other one. This one was done in 2023, he said. That's one good thing I don't gotta worry about right now. I still will later, but for now, I don't gotta worry about it. The pumpkin in the back needs some love, but I'm not. Zoom in. Need some love, but I'm not really worried that much about it right now. I'll do whenever I get paid. I'll do that. Serpentine belt. Check everything else out. Clean up all the little rust. Oh. And then these are fucking Gigantors. These are gonna be. Holy shit. These are 37 by 12.5 by 22. So these are fucking huge, way too big. I'm a small man, so I don't need anything that big, but we'll see how these ride until I can save up a little bit and get some new ones. We'll probably just go back down to 35s. Keep it simple, keep it stock. But yeah, this is it. This is the Raptor.